Families once stood as the heartbeat of our emotional world, a place of safety, laughter, and belonging. But look around today, we're together, yet apart. Parents are scrolling, children are gaming, conversations replaced by screens. If you've ever felt that quiet emptiness at home, you're not alone. In this video, we'll uncover why family values are fading and explore simple mindfulness practices that can help you bring warmth and connection back into your home. Here's something you can try tonight. At dinner, look into the eyes of one family member and say, "Thank you for being with me." It may sound small, but gratitude is a bridge. That one sincere moment can melt walls built by months of silence. When we share presence, our body releases oxytocin, the hormone that builds trust and emotional safety. But when we replace real presence with digital attention, we unknowingly starve our emotional body. The result? Loneliness, irritability, and distance, even in the same room. Mindfulness restores this balance. Just by slowing down, breathing together, and acknowledging each other, we remind our hearts that we belong. I remember Ria, a mother of two, who once said, "We live in one house, but it feels like a hostel. Everyone was busy, school, office, social media." I suggested one small ritual. Every evening, before dinner, the family would spend 1 minute in silence, no phones, no TV, just gratitude. Within a few weeks, that silence turned into laughter, conversation, and joy. The house felt alive again. Try the family silence minute. Before meals, pause for 60 seconds. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and silently thank life for food, love, and togetherness. That's how healing begins, one conscious moment at a time. Try this simple ritual tonight and share how it felt in the comments below. If this video resonated with you, don't miss my next one, Healing Emotional Distance in Relationships. Let's rebuild love, trust, and harmony together. For deeper mindfulness and emotional healing tools, visit innerharmony.co.in. Watch next Positive Relationships, Restoring Emotional Connection. Did this reflection help you reconnect with your family? Share your experience and visit innerharmony.co.in for more mindfulness tools.